All right, today we're looking at a 2017 certified Honda Accord LX. It's got 28,000 miles on it. It's crystal black, pearl in color. All right, it's a local trade. It's a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it does have the nice chrome trim around the windows, nice chrome door handles. All right, driver's side of the Accord's in good shape. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape exterior on this Accord. It's a 17, it's certified, 28,000 miles, local trade, clean Carfax, one owner. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does come with a keyless entry key fob. Okay, got your center armrest here. Got your power outlet in there. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. All right. It is an automatic. It's got another power outlet right under here. Okay, got dual climate controls, AM, FM, CD player. It's going to have your radio display right here and your backup camera. We'll show you that in just a second. All right, it does have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth. All right, and then it's got your Econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 28,737 miles. All right, now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the display screen here. All right, it's got your radio display right there. You can hit the display button. You can change it from audio, current drive, history, or clock wallpaper. All right, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Got the guidelines on there as well. All right, once again, got your AM, FM, CD player. And then we got your dual climate controls right here. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. All right, let's hop out and we'll take a look in the back seat. All right, door panels look good. Back seat carpet back here looks good. All right. Back seat cloth looks good, no problems here. It's well taken care of. Got the center armrests that come down. Okay, got the cup holders there. I'll go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, inside of this Accord's been well taken care of. All right, go ahead and check out the trunk space. Carpet back here is nice and clean. Lift that up, got your jack and spare tire there. All right, but I'll stand to the side. You can see how much room's in the back of these Accords. There's a ton of room. All right, check out the wheels and tires. See, we have 16-inch alloys. All right, it's got the nice black trim here. All right, they are alloys though, 16 inches. Brand new set of tires. You can still see the markings on them here from the factory. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2017 Honda Accord LX, 28,000 miles on it. It's a local trade. It's got a clean Carfax, just one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.